all you're gonna need for this photo is any bottle. I'm using this bottle, and any phone, camera, whatever you want to use, something that has a camera, but phone for you guys if you are a beginner. All you want to simply do is just cut this part off of the bottle, and then you can start taking pictures. So I'm gonna head out to central London and take some pictures and show you how to take the pictures, and I'll show you the results.
But behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
A few moments later.
So the plan was to take the bottle picture at London Eye, but like the London Eye wouldn't fit with the bottle I was using, so we're gonna change locations and find a better place. While these guys are trying to get bikes here, I'm gonna teach you like the basic like concepts of how it works. So you get your bottle, and then what you're gonna do, hold it from this side, put it up to the lens. I can't see correctly now, but as you can see, it makes like a really like patterny, a really good pattern, and like you can use it as a way of taking photos. I'll show you like a better way after, but like this is what I mean. You can take really nice photos like this. So yeah, everyone's managed to get a bike here, but this guy is struggling to get a bike right now. So look, everyone's here with bikes, and then we have this guy still trying to get a bike, but it's not coming out. So yeah,
Eventually.
okay, so Troy's finally got his bike here. Yeah, it took him a long time, but now he's like fully like gone off, like he's gone. So yeah, now we're walking all the way to McDonald's while they've like gone off.
1 minute 37 seconds later.
Okay, so Adam's got a question. Adam, what's your question? How do I look? How does he look? Like, look at this guy in his smart shoes, jeans, shirt. He was supposed to have his fight today, but what happened? What happened? What happened to the fight today?
It's been rescheduled.
It's been rescheduled, but this guy's gonna become a world champion, isn't it?
Yeah.
Watch. Adam Stovall, remember the name? Basically, this video is gonna turn into like a semi-vlog and also teaching how to do the bottle thing, because I'm finding it difficult to find places to actually get this photo. So I'm gonna vlog most of the experiences that I do here, and yeah, like find some sort of place to like take photos.
But behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Okay, so it's day 2. Last night I was editing till like 1, realized there's not enough footage, so gone back to sleep, woken up, and now we're literally just going about trying to find a place to take good photos, and also take photos for this guy, because you know, he just needs photos. And I'll like post some photos that we take as well around the videos. So yeah. Okay, so it might be a little bit windy, but so we got our first location. It's just a little park, and like all we're gonna do, Adam is just gonna sit onto here. Yeah, we'll use this in the example. You get the bottle, put it onto the lens, wait, let it focus, and you get something like this. So here are some of the photos that we're about to take coming up soon, and yeah, I'll let you know with what happens. Okay, so once again we've switched locations. We're at a different park. I'm here again with Adam. We're going to be trying to get some more photos for him. At the same time, try doing more bottle photos. It's currently raining though, which is not quite good, but it could actually make the shots even better. So let's see what we can do. Well, basically we've made squirrel friends now. So this is my guy Carl. We take photos together, don't we, Carl? Yeah, that's my good friend. Say hi. See, he's saying hi. So yeah, that's my guy Carl. Okay, so I'm done for today's video. I'm gonna play a little montage of all the photos that we took during these 2 days. So I want to say thanks for the support on the last videos. I didn't actually expect it to get the amount of views I thought it would. And like, can we hit like, let's say 20 likes on this video? 20? Yeah, we agree, Adam? 20 likes on this video? Yeah, 20 likes on this video. And I guess roll the little montage of photos.